Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to transfer Duo Mobile to a new phone. So if you've upgraded your device and want to keep using Duo Mobile for two-factor authentication, then just follow along. First, install the Duo Mobile app on your new phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. And if you still have access to your old phone, then you can open your Duo Mobile on both devices. Then, depending on your organization setup, you may be able to use the Duo Restore feature or transfer accounts through your account settings. And if Duo Restore isn't available, you'll need to reactivate each account through the website or service that uses Duo. Then sign in to that account and go to its security or two-factor authentication settings and choose the option to add or replace your Duo mobile device. Next, scan the new QR code using your new phone to complete activation. And once you've confirmed that all of your accounts work on the new phone, then you can safely remove them from your old device if needed. So that was how to transfer Duo Mobile to a new phone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.